Hello, third grade, and welcome to our first math skill video for today. We're going to learn about lines, line segments, and rays. On the next page, we're also going to learn about different kinds of angles, points, rays, parallel lines, intersecting lines, and line segments. Most of these you should have already heard in second grade. And we're going to be using these when we do our assignment for shapes. So let's go ahead and begin. When we go through these, please follow along with me. Grab your red writing tool. And the first one we're going to write is a line segment. A segment is just an area. So let's draw a line. Lines normally continue forever and ever. But to draw a line segment, we need a starting and ending point. So let's make the starting point right here and the ending point right here. Go ahead and draw your line segment now. Now you can see that it told us to label it X, Y. The first letter is for our starting point, and our second letter is for our ending point. Go ahead and draw that now. Now we're going to draw just a regular line. Regular lines continue forever and ever. They will have an arrow on both sides of the line. Go ahead and draw that out. And if you think about it, there are tiny little points all down this line. So when we are labeling a line, we can label two of those dots. The difference between a line segment and a line is that lines continue forever, and we show that by the arrows, and line segments have a start and an ending point. Our next kind of line is called a ray. A ray has one starting point, and then it goes on forever on in the other direction. When we write out our line, we always start with the first letter is our starting point, and the second letter is just somewhere else on the line. So a ray, I want you to think of a sun. So it has a starting point and an ending point, starting point and an ending point. So kind of like a ray of sunshine. All right, let's see how much you remember. Number 4, draw a line that has A and D on it. So a line continues on forever. So let's think about how the alphabet goes. A would be here at the beginning, and D would probably be a little bit further. I want you to add where B and C will be. Add the points. These are called the points. So add the points. Where would B and C go? Thinking of alphabetical order. Number 5, draw the line segment. Segment, you think starting and ending point. Starting and ending point. V, C. V is our starting point, C is our ending point. And finally, draw ray LM. Rays have a starting point and then continue on forever. Starting point L We can add the ending point anywhere on that line for M. Make sure that you have all of these lines, line segments, and rays